Oreo-Cheese Cake right here. He gets 25, but if he throws up, he gets 10.
Let's go, over here. Biscuits. This is gonna do it.
Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Right here by the soothing sounds of the river.
Just
has to chug it.
Chug it as fast as you can.
I do it, but I'm actually.
Alright, Alo, screw the money. If I do it, you have to pick up a girl in there.
Now see, the only thing I just have to make one comment on that. Because 20, those girls are like,
Yeah.
That's
Your age?
illegal. That's illegal.
Yeah, they're like 15.
Or you have to talk to one.
What am I gonna say?
Like,
Oh, that's
how
my
about,
job.
how about if he goes up to him and says, that kid over there with the biscuit tag wants your number.
I'll do that.
no, I have enough girls' numbers.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
All right. Oh, Mr. Cockiness
Shit,
over
man,
here.
Is it on the
Yeah,
table?
I'll go check.
Yeah, take the chair. You do.
Don't do it.
20, it'll be on video, don't worry.
Yeah, you'll see it on YouTube in like a day.
25, oh, it'll be 30 because he's going to put in 5. Crisp
Oh, I
bills.
feel like I'm gonna puke right now.
You could do this. You're tough.
That
Gotta
looks-
chug it.
That looks like shit.
You just have to chug it. It's Oreos.
And
Look at this.
cheesecake.
And cheesecake.
Cheesecake's rough.
Cheesecake's nasty.
Cheesecake's rough.
Gotta chug it. Actually, you know what?
Alright, don't throw any more money in.
That's not 20. That would be worth it, right?
Oh my god.
Wow, that would be worth it.
Oh, you gotta go
I'm
for
going to
that.
give you to the count of 5 to say if you'll do it for $45.
he's back.
Right?
45 now.
I'm going to give you to the count of 5 to make your call. If not, you're doing it for 25. Ready?
25.
1. You're doing it for 25?
Oh, what a punk.
Give me 5 seconds.
Are you
to
taking
think
all your money?
I'm
What a nice
offering it.
What a nice guy.
Do it. He's offering you that much money
I
to
just
do
have
it.
to
Take the
think of,
45
like,
bucks.
I'm videoing this. Dude, you
My
run
phone's-
over here.
I got this, Chris.
Yeah, the river's right there.
Yeah.
I just have to think of video.
Alright, here we go.
Hold on. Puke into the river.
Wait. We have to set this up so we
I feel like a superstar right now.
That's right. You are right now.
Alright, guys. Beaver is about to try to chug.
No, it's not
What the
Bieber.
hell are you
This
talking
is-
about?
Biscuit is about to try to chug what's left of a large Oreo-Cheese Cake blizzard.
$45.
I believe.
No, for $25.
That's how much is left right
I
now.
thought it was 45.
If
No.
he throws up,
He
it's
gets
10.
Yes.
Ready, go.
You have to chug it. All you got to do is
Go.
chug it.
Sip first.
No, you can't sip. No, talk. You can't sip.
Alright, hold on. Alright, you gotta go.
Now you gotta do
Alright, let
it.
me find something to
He
think
just
of.
wanted to make sure it wasn't.
I'll think of ponies. Alright.
There you go. Whatever you have to think of. That's what you get. Right here.
This river smells like salt and vinegar.
Yeah, it does.
Kind of smells nasty.
Nah, not vinegar.
Come on, you can do it, Biscuit.
Chug it.
Biscuit.
Chug it. Chug it.
It's so nasty.
Biscuit. Biscuit.
Chug
Biscuit. There he goes. There he
Go,
goes.
go.
That's the
Come
man
on.
right there. That's the man.
I didn't even do anything.
Go! Go!
Keep going. Come on. Keep
Okay.
going. Keep going.
Yeah,
Keep
keep
chugging.
going.
Keep going. Come on.
Eat this. It's,
Hey,
dude,
what a
it's
punk.
so nasty.
Dude,
What a
come on.
You gotta
Come on,
go.
you can do it.
Go
You
on.
can do it.
Come on.
You can
Come
do
on.
it. You can do it. I tell you right now, if you do it right now, $45. Do it right now, $45.
The whole thing. You gotta chug though.
Gotta chug it. $45. I'm gonna give it to you right now. Boom. It's right there on the floor. It's right there on the floor. Right there. Boom. I
Chug
pulled
it,
it
chug
down.
it, chug it,
That's
chug
it.
it,
It's
chug
all
it.
you.
Nope,
46
nope.
on.
Oh no! He's putting 46 down. Look at this.
Tastes so bad.
Do it. Do it. Yeah.
Failure of a throw.
Oh, there you go.
No, you
chug
can't.
it.
Chug!
Chug! Chug
Do you
it!
not know how to chug?
Take your dollar back. That's a dollar
Oh,
less.
taking the 20 back. Nope. Nope. Now
Come
you're
on.
doing it for
Come
20.
on.
You gotta chug it, bro. Nope, now he's looking at it. Minus one. Sorry.
Come on.
Come on.
It's,
Come on.
it's clicking away here.
Minus
Doubting it.
one.
He's doubting it.
Come on.
Alright, here, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with How much? 25?
25.
We're gonna start with 25. Every time you don't drink it, I'm gonna take money away.
All right.
This game.
There's 25 right there. Here he goes. All right, he's drinking.
What is that?
Minus 1.
Nothing. You know it was nothing. It's a piece of Oreo.
Minus 2.
Keep chugging.
Do you know what chugging is?
Minus 20.
Hi, kids.
Keep going. Keep going.
You got a little
Don't
bit
spill
right
too
here.
much. Don't be spilling it.
Yeah, you got a little bit right
There
here.
you
No.
go. That's it. That's it. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's
Go,
getting it.
go,
go. Come on. He's getting it. He's getting it.
Let's go.
He's getting it. Come on. Come on,
Oh.
Biscuit. You got this. You got this, Biscuit. You got it. You got it. Keep going.
Minus
Don't
one.
spill it. Don't spill it. Don't you spill that. Keep going. Keep going. Show us how much you got. How much you
Just
got. How much you got
go.
left?
Nah,
Yeah, how much you got left?
He ain't gonna do it.
Come on.
Oh, that's not even.
Take a huge
Yeah, it's
gulp.
really
He ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it.
That's biscuit.
That's worth like $10. Oh well.
Come on. Come
Oh,
on.
well.
You got
We'll
it.
show
You
them the
got it. You got it. You got
So
this.
nasty.
You're gonna be famous.
Oh.
That's gross.
Go.
Alright,
Go on.
Just think you're gonna be famous.
no.
That's it. That's it.
There we go.
That's
There
it.
we
That's
go.
what we wanted.
There's still some left.
I
You're such
give
a
him
punk.
5 minutes.
You're such a
Does
punk.
I have to drink it?
Yeah,
Yes.
Alright.
Yo, this ain't worth my 25.
Yeah, no, if you could straight shoot the whole thing.
Yeah, that's what we
There he goes.
wanted.
He's going. Give him.
You can't gulp and rest.
He's
No,
12.
but,
He's
like-
probably never chugged anything before.
No, right now.
Yeah, no, he's
That's the point.
Let's see. Let's see how much you got left. Oh, it's got a big chunk in there.
I have to eat that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at
See
it.
his face. He's like,
Wait, you see his face? Or
Okay, now I have a huge chunk.
There you go.
yeah, there you go. That's the hard part.
That's it. Work it down. Break it down.
He ain't gonna do it. This isn't like $25.
I'm gonna give him. If he finishes the whole freaking thing,
Give
I'll
him 20.
I'll give him to 25. The original thing was 25.
He didn't chug.
This is so nasty.
You got it.
Oh, this is boring.
You're boring.
What did she say?
He's all tough with his ice cream mustache.
Yeah, it's 30 seconds. Can I punch him in the stomach now?
Yeah, go ahead. Push him in the river. while
His
you're
eyes
at
just
it.
light up. What?
Push him in the river when
You
you're doing
got
that
it.
too.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh! I just ate a banana.
Ooh,
Nah, there's no bananas in there. That's a piece of cheese.
What?
Excuse me.
You just throw up and make it everybody worthwhile.
That's it. That's it.
I give him
That's
5
it.
minutes.
There
Let's
you
go.
Keep it. There you go.
How's it 5 minutes
How much you
already?
got left? How much you got left?
Really?
Dude, you got the you just fucking
This is
jumped.
huge.
That's what she said. This is whack.
I'm done. This is nasty.
No more? Are you throwing in the towel?
Just give him $5.
If you can finish it, you get 25.
Come on, 20 bucks
Can't,
is
you
on.
get 5.
I just want to see him for a
20
Yeah,
bucks.
me too. That's what I was waiting for.
Yep.
How much you got left?
Can I punch him in the stomach, right?
Nope. Nope. No
Wait till he
physical
finishes.
contact.
What she said.
She likes it.
It's all chunks.
So you have to take those
So you
chunks.
gotta-
Part of the 25
It's
bucks.
25 bucks right here.
Whack.
25 smackers. 25 crumbs.
You're wasting my GoPro camera time. Let's go.
Yeah.
Got a GoPro. Damn. How you
What was
doing?
it? 5 minutes? Oh, it's a 6.
6 minutes and 3 seconds. How much you
Cheesecake
got?
is nasty.
This is when you start throwing up.
Yeah.
You gotta finish them.
Doesn't the river smell
This is
horrible?
going to be our first video on our channel. Back to Airsoft. This is gonna be you chugging this. I was be like, what kind of channel did this turn into? Biscuit chugs anything.
Chug the river water.
Yeah.
Chug the river water. Then we'll give you like 45.
There we go. There we go.
Throw up. Throw up.
Let's see how much you got.
Yo, let's see if he might throw up on the field. That would be funny.
Oh, that would be funny. If you chug the river water, I'll give you 20. Finger in your mouth.
Break it down. Come
Finger
on.
popping each other's asshole. 21 jumps.
Oh.
Come on, finish it. We're wasting our time here.
Yeah, I gotta get back to work. Trump's gonna kill me.
You have an excuse.
Oh, totally missed that one.
So nasty.
Right,
think
got
you
it.
that strong.
Totally missed that one. Yo, someone get me.
We got
$20
that.
bucks.
There.
Oh.
That was a big one.
Oh, you're gonna throw it. Dude, you're making me cute.
What?
This is borderline child abuse.
He's laughing. He likes it. I touch it, will go woo woo woo.
Oh, hello, I'm a car. Hello. Oh, it's so funny.
It's so funny.
It's so funny.
If I eat that last big chunk,
Yeah.
do I get a lot?
Yes.
You get like 20.
You get $20. You get 25.
No, not
Shove that
25.
big
I'm giving him 25.
I won't work it.
They put any money
You just made more room in there. There you go.
You got a lot more mess than that.
in. A little bit on
There's a
my
lot
face.
more.
A little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Cheater. Cheater. Cheater.
Oh.
Now you gotta finish it.
What a cheater.
Oh. Are you gonna throw up?
If I did it, at least I throw up like a man.
How do you feel right now?
I didn't wanna throw up.
You want your mommy?
Yo, I want to see on the field.
No, he wants his grandma.
I don't punch him in the
He
stomach.
wants his grandma. Oh, if I get shot, then
Is that what you got left in there? Take the last swig out of there. There we go. I'll give it to you, brother.
Now you got a little bit. You got some right
What?
here.
He's setting the precedent now. Just wait till he starts hitting parties.
How do you feel right now? You know what I could go for right now? A nice big fat juicy sausage and pepper sandwich. Sprinkled with jalapeno peppers, a little bit of sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour
I don't know.
cream.
Exactly.
napkin.
No, ketchup.
Want some tail of ham in that?
You need more than a napkin. You need like a wipe. Let him walk back into.
Yeah, walk into the store.
I dropped it. I'd like a refund.
Your milkshake just threw up on me. Here.
Oh, what we do to him?
I only want like 5.
I said 25.
It was only worth 5.
I said 25. I keep my word.
That's 21, 22,
25 bucks.
23, 24, 25.
Where's your money?
I can't carry it.
Hey, do me a favor. Don't fucking litter. Pick up your money.
Oh, it's yours. man.
Don't litter your money.
Grab it.
You got to carry your money. All right. Halo's gonna take your money.
Oh god.
Don't do that. Now we're gonna drop it.
It's not coming out.
Oh, mine? Yeah.
Nah, you gotta walk back to Stryker like that.
Yeah.
Walk of shame. Walk of shame. I broke my diet.
Yeah, Chris gets it now.
Remember? You need a napkin, dude?
I think he needs a wipe.
Nah, you gotta walk back. Your milkshake
fire
threw up on
department
me.
don't like
Oh,
that
AJ. AJ, I didn't see your phone.
I think it's drying up now.
I didn't get your phone.
Post company number 3.
Do you have your phone?
AJ, just to let you know, it's drying up.
Holy crap. Oh my
Oh, that's
god.
freaking funny. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
No one.
No, you had it.
What's his face has it? Warrior has it. Warrior.
Dirt.
I don't have it. You do.
Yes, you do. Just give it to him because he's nervous. He was freaking out. I don't know.
Hold it.
He watched out for you. He's your boy right there. Open up your collar, you slob.
Hello?
Wipe up your face. Cut over your face.
Your mommy
It's like-
texted me.
It's like right here and like here.
How do you get on your nose? On your top of your nose, man.
Do you have each kind? Each street?
Got his money, right? Taylor, you got his money? What?
Yeah, he does.
Just give it to him.
AJ, your mommy texted you.
Like, don't eat all that ice cream.
What's this? Oh my god. Lily got a haircut. Holy shit.
Hey, what'd you do with
Biscuit, don't throw up. Biscuit, don't throw up. Biscuit, don't throw up.
What?
Don't throw up.
Back there.
Wait till you start running. Get the mop ready.
You took 2 hours there? With like a snorkel, duct tape in your mouth, and me shitting in that snorkel. You suck. Don't even repeat it. Think of pop your own ass. I'll hit you in the stomach so hard you'll fucking
No, I shot him, and then he scurried behind the tire. As soon as he do it, I shot him again. And then he fucked
Yeah.
up.
Did you see him throw the thunder bee on his own teammate?
Oh, now he's gonna throw up.
He's like, guys, we gotta clear out the hill, and he threw the thunder bee. And his own teammates just like, ah!
He punched him in the stomach now. How you feeling, AJ?
You alright, brother?
Did it with pride.
You did good though, man. You look proud now with your chest swelled out.
Punch him in the stomach again.
Not only is his chest swelled out, but so is his stomach.
Instead of weighing 80 pounds, now he weighs 84 pounds.
I weigh like
Do you really?
I weigh like 109 or something like that.
Badass, you're heavier than me. Chris, you're heavier than me.
Really?
Yeah, I'm 106. Now I think I'm like 110 since I sat on my ass all Sunday.
Hey, that's about right. Did you ever see Ace Ventura? Did you ever see Ace Ventura? Ace Ventura too? He goes,
Alright, can you just throw him in the bushes and call it a day?
That's why I was gonna do it. I was like, I was gonna vomit all that ice cream on my back. I did.
Back. Can't have that.
We did have. We had a call one day. A pregnant woman. went to hump her out of the window of her fucking house. She's like, I don't feel too good. We're like, it's alright, man. Just relax. She's like, oh no, I don't. It went like this. Right over my back and right over across my tank in the back. I was like, ew! And I threw up in my mask. And just like, oh, gross.
Oh.
The guy next to me is laughing. He's like, I was like, you're gonna throw up too. He's like, that. He held it back. Never happened to you?
No, AJ's gonna throw up on the field. And then everyone, and then all the Filipino guys are just gonna start puking.
I'm fine.
Do it or I'll punch you back.
Alright.
Right now.
I won't hurt you. No. I quit. I quit. I quit. Yeah.
That's right. That was just pre-gaming right there. We just got you. Oh, pre-game.
Ooh, that was right here right now.
Don't throw up.
Smells like my propane. Smells like propane. Just like what I use. Let's hope AJ doesn't throw up. We bet.
Still recording?
Yeah. We bet AJ.
$25 if you could chug a large.
Oreo-Cheese Cake blizzard.
That had to end that.
No.
And he did
How
it.
could you do that to AJ?
And that is our adventure.